So like literally, as soon as he got up off the like driving super hard, you can literally go and touch the ice cream. Like it feels like a refrigerator.
Yo.
So that's good to know. So they're expensive. They keep your hair in shape. It's gonna stay like that. Just gas, man. Get like my leaf blower in there. Start blowing in it. Johnny. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Big old nitrous bottle right there.
You want to sit in my chair?
LT4 supercharged.
Hi.
Jesus.
You remember Roland Shannon?
Just got back 5 minutes ago and it's smelly.
Yeah. It's Roland Shannon's grandkid. But I hijacked. I hijacked the kid. I just wanted to go say hi.
I like your seat cover.
Sorry, I didn't mean to hit you. Got the tow trucks. We're just chilling. Big old wheels right there. All these Jeeps. Yeah. Nice pink. You staying with me? You going over there? What's up, man?
Come back when it's done.
Is that just the aftermarket blower? Or is that, oh no, that's the shaker, isn't it?
This is a shaker.
Yeah, the shaker.
That's all nobody asked for it.
Nice. So I got the 392 Jeep over there.
Damn.
Yeah.
Those are fun.
Yeah, they are fun. Nice G-forces. Beautiful car, man.
Thank you.
These two. Another 392. Woo! Wow. What year is this?
14.
14, wow. Looks fresh off the lot.
Came out of the Tiger Jeep.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Yeah, all the trans stuff.
Beauty.
This is our dad's.
Woo! That front end is beautiful. A teddy bear. Got an old Silverado. This beauty right here. Howdy.
You had to put everything out your way.
No, you're all good, man.
Well, like I said, oh yeah. Well, I mean, from nothing to this, I mean, that's all over here.
Wow. Hello, hello.